Alright, so this is when you are either power washing your computer or just doing something, and you mess up very badly. And then, sorry, you delete your computer's OS. Control D isn't working. You need to fix this, because you need an operating system on your computer. So you have to go on your other computer, and what's it called? Get a backup of it on it. And then you're gonna find out what the thing is for the Chromebook that you're trying to fix. I'm not fixing this computer or one of this. I am fixing the, oops. What is it? Yep. Acer C720 Chromebook. Now you're gonna find the USB that you're gonna do it on. Super easy. You press create now, then you wait for another 20 days for this to work. I'm not gonna stop, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Go over here and play games. I wish this chair was a bed. My bed is over there. Oh dang, I forgot to get this. System recovery in progress. This will take a few minutes. Yeah, right, it's gonna take a few days. Do not turn the computer off or disconnect the power. I'm bad. I'm evil. I just can't actually listen to this. You don't want your computer dying. It's gonna suck. It's gonna take another 7 days. to do this. So, just listen to that. Why am I doing this again? I'm gonna end it. Yay! Please remove the recovery media and remove the stupid USB or SD thing or whatever you used. Oops, I zoomed in too much. Alright. Done. It did. And you're just gonna let Chrome boot up, and then you realize you're not in developer mode, and you're gonna be feeling sad that you just missed that. That's my favorite part. The only thing I want, or ever would care about. Alright, so the next part is just sign into whatever your Wi-Fi is, and I'll show you the rest, which is actually, no, I won't. I'll trim this part off. Alright. The next part is eat the USB. You have to eat it so that it's with you wherever you go. So, have fun eating USBs. Alright, I'm just wasting time.